Carl and the family group here. We just wanted to talk about my experience with the Growing Deep and Strong series that we took on and studied for a number of months. And I just found that my life was sort of heading in a pretty staid way of being the person that I had been. Everything was rolling along okay. And I didn't realise that some of the things that have been happening in my life were due to outside influences that had caused me to be the person that I was. And when we uptook the Growing Deep and Strong series, I started to learn a little bit what the actual Bible was trying to say. So what God was trying to say to us and how we should be living our lives and how we were supposed to feel and how we were supposed to be and how we were supposed to treat people around us as well too. So the words and the famous sentence that God is love became very apparent to me that it was actually true. And I think the bad things that had happened to me in my life was because I'd been a bit godless. And when I studied and with my family and my wife and Doris and even my own son Troy was involved, I found out that what I thought the Bible said wasn't actually true, and that there was a veil of secrecy over the reality of it by the activity of demons in my life that I've since given off to God and actually released them from my heart and from my soul as well. They had a bit of a grab on me. I've also learnt to treat people better and listen more to what people have to say and care about what other people feel and want in their lives as well too. So for me it's been a bit of a revelation. Funny that's in the Bible, but I now feel that I can understand other people's hopes, dreams, wishes and desires, and I can put more effort into caring about people so that I reap the success of caring and in my heart instead of up here, so that I use my revelation of my true heart as something that I concentrate on now, is to be the right kind of person in a godly way. The industry that I work in is wrapped around with deceit and lies in the car industry, and I'm finding it now that I've been more successful than I have ever been, and I'm giving a bit more back to as well too from the current church that we actually attend, and giving more back to the community as well too. So God rewards me and God sustains me, and if I ever need any help, I've only got one person to talk to, and that's the Lord. So if you're considering getting into and studying Growing Deep and Strong, it'll change your life, not just this life but also your eternal life as well too. So I can only say it's a great thing for me, and I highly recommend that you should consider doing it. Thank you.